Hey Western students, need a checkup or not feeling your best? Affordable healthcare is ready for you while you're in school. Here's what to know. If you're in credit-bearing classes, you can use Student Health Services for just a $10 copay per visit billed to your Western account. Services cover everyday costs and minor illnesses, so you can get back to feeling your best fast. No matter where you're taking classes, you've got options. Visit the UWL Student Health Center in La Crosse or one of the neighborhood family clinics in La Crosse, Onalaska, Sparta, Viroqua, or West Salem. Appointments are recommended. Although the family clinics allow walk-ins, UWL doesn't, so be sure to schedule ahead. Staying healthy helps you stay focused on your goals, and it's easy to get the care that you need. Check out the details and book your appointment at westerntc.edu/studenthealthservices. Take care of yourselves, Cavaliers. You've got this.